Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you assume an average daily dose of 3 to 4 drops, 3 times a day, that equates to approximately 15 milligrams of CBD based on our 250 milligrams CBD oil. To give you some idea of the limitations, 160 milligrams is seen as a recommended maximum daily amount.
Let's help you make your mark.
One 2020 review of studies found that participants showed improvements in anxiety levels after single doses of CBD ranging from 300 to 600 milligrams. 11 such results indicate that the CBD may hold promise as a treatment to alleviate symptoms of acute anxiety.
Take our lead.
Populum's classic oil tinctures have been the most popular way to ingest CBD, as tinctures tend to have the most immediate effect and are quickly absorbed into the body's endocannabinoid system. Many customers use the oil at night to promote a calm mind in preparation for a good night's rest. 16 July 2020.
Take our lead.
Recently the FDA approved the first ever cannabis-derived medicine for these conditions, Epidiolex, which contains CBD. CBD is commonly used to address anxiety, and for patients who suffer through the misery of insomnia, studies suggest that CBD may help with both falling asleep and staying asleep. 15 April 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.